Hello, I'm Duane Deters, and I'm seeking a Republican nomination for State's Attorney in Coles County. I want to share with you my experience as a prosecutor. My career began in May of 1999 when I joined the Coles County State's Attorney's Office, where I was initially assigned to the Misdemeanor Division. In those first 2 years, I was responsible for all of the misdemeanor files, which at that time totaled over 2,000 cases. Due to my success, I was promoted to the Felony Unit, where I was assigned to the crimes of violence. This is possibly one of the toughest areas of prosecution. The reason why I say that is because these cases include crimes committed against children of a physical and sexual nature. In the 5 years I was in that unit, I worked closely with professionals from the Children's Advocacy Center as well as the Sexual Assault Counseling and Information Service. My work produced the first life sentence for a child molester in Coles County. That particular case was a landmark case in Coles County in that it represented the first time closed-circuit television was used in a trial in Coles County to protect a child from her abuser. To date, I am still the only prosecutor in Coles County to use closed-circuit TV to protect a child from her abuser. Other notable sentences that I successfully argued for during those years include 60 years for a man found guilty of molesting a young girl, 48 years for a man who molested a young boy, and 42 years for a man who was found guilty of molesting a 12-year-old boy. My years in that unit also involved me being assigned to the Anthony Mertz murder case. Mertz, as you may recall, was found guilty of killing EIU student Shannon McNamara and sentenced to death. That is the last death penalty case in Coles County. My career did not end there. In 2005, I accepted a position from Macon County State's Attorney Jack Ahola. This move paired me with other experienced prosecutors and has made me a better advocate. In the last 7 years, my areas of prosecution have included domestic violence, drugs, theft, armed robbery, and murder. In 2009, I was assigned to the Dui and Traffic Unit as a unit supervisor. In this role, I am responsible and directly supervise 3 other attorneys and 2 administrative staff. I am responsible for the training and development of these young attorneys. When I took over this unit, we took a new approach to handling DUI cases. And as a result of this approach, the instances of DUI have gone down by 40% in the last 2 years. Recently, I have been involved in training young prosecutors across the state, and I am also on the steering committee for the creation of a DUI court in Macon County. I am also a charter member of the Prosecutors Resource Network, which is a group of individuals and other professionals who get together and try to come up with ways to make prosecutors across the state better and bring tools to them to help them in their cases. Coles County needs an experienced leader. I am a real prosecutor with real experience prosecuting real crimes. Please vote for Duane Deters on March 20th in a Republican primary. Stay tuned for future videos, and thank you for your time.